Hello, good morning, all of you. Myself, Dr. Deepak Pandey, Director of Physical Education, Govindra Vadik Law College, Sri Rampur District, Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. Today, my topic is physical fitness. What is physical fitness? Physical fitness is the organic avenue of the proper functioning of the body system so that individual can perform the daily routine task efficiently. It is clear to observe that our that other workout every individual get fatigue. This applies to every physical fit person, but one of the major difference in unfit and fit individual is the storage of energy of the emergency and other normal activities even after fatigue. Other major except in physical fitness is the fast recovery after getting fired. After fatigue, work rest the necessary, but the reset the rest period must be appropriate appropriate duration. Physical fitness is the continue of the daily routine work without undue fatigue. Next, physical education is the way of the education through physical activities which are selected are and carried on with full regard to value in human growth, development and behavior. According our component of physical fitness, the five components of physical fitness are often used in our school system, health clubs and fitness centers to prove how good a shape we are truly in. In the five components that make up total fitness are: first, cardiovascular endurance; second, muscular strength; third, muscular endurance; fourth, flexibility; fifth, body composition. First, what is cardiovascular endurance? Is the ability of the heart and lungs to work together to provide the needed oxygen and fuel to the body during substance workloads. Example would be jogging, cycling, and swimming. The Cooper run is used most often to test cardiovascular endurance. And muscular strength is the amount of force a muscular can produce. Example would be the bench press, leg press, and biceps curl. The push-up test is the most often used to test muscular strength. And muscular endurance is the ability of the muscular to perform continuous without fatigue. Example would be cycling, step machine, and elliptic machine. The step up test is the most often used to test muscular endurance. Then flexibility is the ability of each joining to move through the available range of motion for a specific joint. Example would be stretching individual muscles or the ability to perform contained functional movement such as the lungs. The sit and reach test is the most often used to test flexibility. Thank you. Thank you very much.